Hello! Today we're going to be unboxing this. It's the Benz Patent Motorwagen of 1886, easy version with the plastic wheel spokes in 1/24th scale from ICM. So it's made in Ukraine, it's very good. You can see on the side here a little bit of information, illustrations, and let's open it up. This is a relatively recent kit from ICM. So here we are. Plastic sprues and instructions. So the Benz Patent Motorwagen, which is patent motor car in English, built in 1885, is widely regarded as the world's first production automobile. That is, a vehicle designed to be propelled by an internal combustion engine. Karl Benz unveiled his invention to the public on the 3rd of July 1886 at the Ringstrasse in Mannheim. About 25 patent motorwagen were built between 1886 and 1893. And on November the 2nd, 1886, patent number 37435 was received for the car. The vehicle had a gasoline engine, electric ignition, carburetor, cooling system, transmission and brakes. The chassis was made of steel pipes, the rear wheels were mounted on a rigid axle with elliptical springs. The decision to equip the car with 3 wheels was caused by the peculiarities of steering using a boat-style tiller. Its steering handle was located in the centre of the vehicle. In August 1888, the inventor's wife, Bertha, together with her 2 sons, Richard and Eugen, made their first road trip of about 104 kilometres to visit her mother in another town. This trip received a wide response and successfully promoted the car. ICM also sell a version of the kit with Mrs. Benz and her sons. Benz's company would later merge with Daimler AG of the now deceased Gottlieb Daimler to form Daimler Benz. They were financed by the Austrian Emil Jelinek, who'd chosen to name the car after his daughter Mercedes. From 1926, the first Mercedes-Benz branded cars were released onto the road. So let's have a look inside. Now, there's 2 versions of this kit, the easy version and the hard version. So this one here has the photo etch parts listed here. We don't have that one. And here you can see the plastic sprue and the instructions for the wheels, which are different. So this device here for doing the photo etch wheels, it looks almost like a roulette wheel, but I'm going to be ignoring that. And that's the end. So this version's black, and here are the parts in this bag. There's really not many sprue, so you see you've got 2 here, with the rear wheels and the front wheel. And then you've got this version here. Oh, one of the spokes is broken, that's a shame. I have to try and fix that. And then we've got this one here. So you can see the kind of bench seating here, we've got these wooden parts. So you've got the flywheel there, some other parts. So it appears to be really complicated because it's fully detailed basically. You've got every single external part of the car. I saw a couple of excellent completed versions of this build at Scale Model World in 2022, including this one which claimed bronze. Well done to the builders of those. So there we have it. This is something very different and certainly the oldest car that I've ever seen in kit form, but there we are. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you soon.